it's Britt Latrice and welcome back to my channel. I'm so excited to be here today. So what I have for you guys is a video discussing a few of my favorite finds as of late. And one of them is this really cool vase that I found at Home Goods. Like, how neat is this? We found her for like, I think $10. I was like, yes. It looks so good on my coffee table. I just like love the little squiggle. A little, you know, a little squiggle goes a long way, especially if you like those curves and things in your home. I don't know what happened, but like I just like that. For example, you guys have seen my couch that I've sat in. It's a very hard line, so sometimes I like things with like softer lines or curves to really just balance out some of the more rigid hard lines of furniture and pieces that I have in the home. So this one's super cute and it was super good deal at Home Goods. On the same topic of Home Goods and fun finds from there, because I'm a handwritten note girly, I've been loving purchasing cards from there. They're just cheeky, they're cute, they're fun. They're just like that nice personal touch. Here's a few that I found. So one, I'm not saying you're old, but if you were milk, I'd sniff you first. There's a lot of birthdays in my life, so I just been like buying for the birthdays. This one, I almost don't want to show it, but I think by the time that it does get to who it needs to get to will be good. But it says, "Hop hooray, it's your birthday." This person just got 2 new cats in their lives and they were black, so I just thought this was cute. And like, I think each of them are like $2.99 a piece. It's just nice to kind of just get these in bulk from the store when they have some good options available. So that is something that I've been loving. So something else that I've been wanting are to get some nice pillows for my couch, but it's been a little bit hard to find. And I found these cute ones on Lulu in Georgia by Sarah Sherman Samuel. They're so cute. It's a clover, but it honestly looks like an X to me. And then I got the other one, this one in this color, just like ivory color, and it looks like a O. So while these are not new, these are items that I've been loving lately, and it's my Dior saddlebag. I finally, guys, wore this out the house a few weeks ago, and it was stunning. She was a hit. I've in the past been too afraid to wear it just because I wanted a bag organizer inside it, but even the bag organizers for inside of it, they don't cover much of it. It's just very suede on the inside, if you can see. What's in here? I was like, what's in here? Y'all, some Aquaphor. Well, these are lips ain't gonna be cracked, okay? So yeah, been loving this. And another item of mine that I've been loving is this. This is like one of my early luxury purchases. And you know, a lot of people have sold theirs off, but backpacks are some of my favorite kinds of handbags. And so this still for me is such an essential LV item. I love it. It's so cute. I actually wanted to get the Alma version of the backpack because that is fire. But I hadn't picked this up in a while, so I'm like, don't entertain that yet. Just see, you know, like what's going on with this. And that wasn't actually even what motivated me. I just was like kind of running around the city and I just picked it up and I was like, oh, this is such a comfy bag still. Like I just usually do it with one strap. I do have the other one, of course, but I just love this bag so much. I always have. It will always be one of my favorite LV items, despite LV being in, out, whatever. This still to me is an amazing, amazing handbag. And I would highly recommend it for anyone who's ever wanted it and who enjoys having a backpack in their handbag collection. So apparently my battery is like screaming at me. This video is almost over, but it's screaming at me. So I'm about to change it and I will be right back. I was so out of focus. I don't even know what just happened, but we're back. One of the final things that I'm loving right now, just because I'm into self-enrichment, is Libby. So guys, no one talks about how clutch the library is, like in adulthood really. And no one talks about how like much the library has really upgraded itself to be with the times. And so they have this app called Libby that you are able to get books from digitally, and I love it so much. I've been liking reading my books on my phone. Like it's such a nice thing to do when you're riding the subway and like just going from here or there, or just even in bed at night, you know, to read your book on your phone. It's just amazing. It's a very dope under the radar feature. So. All right, guys. So for now, that is everything that I have for today. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and hit that bell for notifications each time I upload. I'll chat with you later. Bye.